Welcome back to Confina J. Today we will be making chicken in our air fryer. My mom's feeling a bit sick, so we're cooking tonight.
It's a try for us.
Yep.
We hope we get it right. Okay.
And then 5 minutes.
No. Let's go on 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Okay, time.
And our temperature is right. So
Yeah.
let's select start. We have marinated the chicken. Add food, okay.
So now we're going to add.
Okay. We have preheated the oven already. Do you want to add it? Just put it. No, leave it there. Leave it. Just leave it there. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, there we go. Turn it around. The skin is outside. We're putting the skin.
It's full.
Let's have a look. Oh, we can squeeze some more in because as soon as it starts cooking, it will shrink, won't it?
Yeah.
We're going to put in drumsticks also, so if we don't have enough space for it. Oh, train smash. Oh, we managed to get it working. Let's show the camera. Okay, I hope you can see that. Right, then we're off. We'll be back in 20 minutes. Speak to you.
We'll be back in 20 minutes. Welcome back. The air fryer has just indicated that we need to turn the food.
Okay, but now let's just take it out. And you can see 14 minutes has passed. And we're going to turn it around now. Let's just be careful now, Jay. We don't want to scratch Mommy's air fryer. We need to get a plastic tongue. Because I know she'll be inspecting it.
Yeah.
Listen to that sizzling. Speak to your subscribers. Thank them for liking your videos.
Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing. The people that don't subscribe and like my videos, please do that.
Please subscribe now.
Please subscribe.
And leave a comment. We look forward to your comments.
And we're back. Now we are going to take the chicken out of the air fryer.
Closer. I'm just going to check that there's no blood or anything. Good. Juice is running. Ajay, can you bring the bowl?
One, two, three, four. And 7 and 8.
We are parboiling some potato wedges, and we'll be putting that in as soon as it comes out of the microwave. We've parboiled it for about 15 minutes.
Now put this back on. We put some olive oil and we seasoned the potatoes. Now we're gonna put it in the air fryer. Okay, yeah.
Put it on for 15 minutes.
15.
Yeah. Stop. Air fry.
Oh yeah, air fryer.
No. Yeah, okay. Okay, 15.
Okay,
Stop. You will be back
in 15 minutes. Welcome back. Now our wedges are almost ready. And now they're ready. Okay.
Just give me a minute. Careful. Golden brown. Soft and crispy at the same time. Soft on the inside and crispy on the outside.
And warm. At the inside and the outside is warm.
Soft. Just tell your viewers that this is our first time that we're using the air fryer.
This is our first time using the air fryer.
Our air fryer, yes.
Our air fryer.
Your mother normally uses the air fryer, but because she's sick, we thought we'll be cooking tonight.
Yep.
Okay, goodbye and until next time.
Goodbye.
Please subscribe.
Yeah. Please subscribe.
See you next time.
See you next.